Welcome to my review today. I'm excited to introduce to you 5 high-quality techniques used by top carpenters around the world. These techniques not only showcase their craftsmanship and finesse, but also embody X. Technique number 1. First, let's marvel at how these artisans create evenly sized wooden strips. The craftsmen use a wood saw to cut along the grain, producing parallel cuts with millimeter-level precision. From these strips, they go on to craft unique and unexpected shapes. Technique number 2. Next, the craftsman uses a drill to create a perfectly round hole in a circular wooden piece. The specialized circular drill bit ensures precision, making the hole right at the center of the piece, playing a critical role in connecting various parts of the final product. Technique number 3. The following scene left me truly impressed. The artisan skillfully operates a thin-bladed saw, moving it along a pre-drawn circular line on the wooden sheet. The result? A flawless, precise circle, with every edge perfectly defined.
Technique number 5. The final technique brings an element of surprise and excitement. The carpenter utilizes a saw to produce evenly spaced, parallel cuts, creating small gaps in the wooden sheet. This technique allows the wood to bend slightly according to the artisan's intent, resulting in a unique shape that adds softness and flexibility to the final product. Conclusion: this video has showcased 5 high-level techniques from master carpenters worldwide, highlighting their elegance and refined skills. From precise cuts and the careful selection of wood types to advanced bending techniques, every detail radiates the expertise and creativity of these artisans. Wooden products not only exude aesthetic appeal, but also reflect the dedication and passion of these exceptional craftsmen.